Welcome to Jamaican Culture with Share. Howdy! Hi! Another aspect of our Jamaican culture, dance. What is dance? What is dance? One of the definitions, there are many definitions, a series of movements that matches the speed and rhythm of a piece of music. Jamaica heritage in dance and music. Jamaica musical and dance are rich, powerful, and vibrant. It reflects both the high and low points in society. Jamaica cultural dance, Brookings, performed primarily to celebrate Emancipation Day, a dance whose music has both European and African elements. Brookings is a stately dipping and gliding dance and may be derived from pavine. Pavine. It's French or Italian, pavine. But Brookings, you can do Brookings. Brookings, me know they have on the costume, like frock, yes, dress. I mean, know the instrument mostly, but they use a drum. Yes, they pan the drum and they hold it to tail of the frock. Yes, the end of the frock or the costume, and they broke. Me try remember. Me know they broke and they then they broke. Yes. Something like that. But me know you have to broke. Yes. Brookings. If you can't do the Brookings, share, subscribe, and teach me over the Brookings. Thanks for watching.